I still feel like the marketing tools are just like the Albert Einstein of the digital world. And I am so grateful that at least there is something that I got to know and understand. And it is something that I feel like is very important. Just in addition, the content. But the most funniest thing is that sometimes we say we want to post this on our social pages and say that, but then we really do not have the right content and who are the people we're sending it to. That is also important. That is something that I have to think about right now. And another thing is, more than anything, I think it needs commitment.
Yes.
Serious commitment. At least I'm someone who's up with the times. I'm fine with that. And yes, thanks to my colleague for pushing this. Because it's just one of those things where you're like, okay, how come we don't know this company? Who are they? What are they about? You know, it's funny how it only took actually a minute for him to say, no, let's go into this, go and convince. You know, it's just one of those things. It wasn't like one of those days where he says, go do that. I'm like, no, I'll do it after 10 minutes. No, the moment he said, go and talk to the bosses, I stood up and went in. So now I feel like it wasn't time wasted for us. And it's been a very good training.